guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know recently I did a product empties video, but I am on a spree to finish products, and here I have yet another product empty. So quickly I'm gonna tell you hit or miss. This is a Garnier Sun Control Daily Moisturizer with some SPF. I think SPF 15. Okay, doesn't matter, not really great, so it's kind of a miss from my side. Okay, lot of fragrance burns the skin and whatnot. Then we have Lotus Organics Hydrating Sunscreen Gel. Very good for oily skin type. I really like it. It leaves a little bit of white cast, but nothing that stays on for a very long time. It will go with time. So yeah, definitely a very big hit from my side. I think I've already given a review about this. This is the Minimalist B5 moisturizer, 10% moisturizer. Now there is, like on my review, the people are mentioning it's not good, you don't have oily skin, it's meant for oily skin. All I want to mention is that consistency of this is not, you know, getting absorbed into skin only. Okay, it sits on like a primer, so be it for oily, be it for dry skin, if it's not getting absorbed into the skin, then what good is it doing? So that's why I'm not liking this product. It's a miss. Then we have this L'Oreal Total Repair File Restoring Conditioner. Okay, I saw a lot of advertisements about this back in the day, but it's not that great, guys. It's not that great. I think you can definitely get the Tresemme one if you are going for that budget friendly conditioners, like the Tresemme, L'Oreal and Dove ke beech mein if you have to choose Tresemme. We have an OG product. This is the Pond's Triple Vitamin Silky Smooth Skin body moisturizer. Again, very good fragrance, amazing, stays for very long time. I really love it. Hit. Now I know I have given a review about this product. This is the Plum Oat and Allantonin moisturizer, and I'm going to make a detailed review about this, but towards the end it started irritating my skin and the fragrance was nauseating. Okay, in my review video also I mentioned the fragrance is a bit too much, but then towards the end of it I think it really got to me and I really don't like this. So it's a mess. A big hit from my side is this Dot & Key Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. Very good, very gentle, add for all skin types at all weathers. Definitely recommend this. So this is a big hit. This is Moe by Nykaa Amour Eau de Parfum, whatever the name is. This black variant, just remember, don't get it. It does not smell really good. It smells very cheap. That's the word I get. Now this is the Mother Sparsh Hair Oil Miracle. It's made of 30 herbs and it's really good. I really like it. It's quite thick on the scalp. So I don't know if you are not suitable with the thick consistency one, thick oils, do not go for this one. Then I have this Johnson's Baby Oil. Again, I used it for body, I used it for hair, I used it sometimes to remove my makeup. Big hit, really good and really gentle. Of these products, okay, definitely, you know, it's a big hit because I really like this. It gives you a very nice finish. Only thing I have a complaint with is not many shades available, otherwise very good formula. This is Chariott New York lip balm, very annoying. Again, I had to finish this and the Plum moisturizer by using it on my body, and I finished it in one night only, both of them. I don't think I can get enough of this Zudio Jive. Okay, this is the travel size. I finished two of them. This is one. Okay, very good, worth every penny. This is the Plum I'm saying, this is the Benefit Bowing Concealer. This is probably expired, was not very good. Okay, I think that's why they have discontinued it. Okay, it was not at all very good. It used to crack as soon as you apply it. This is the Maybelline you know, Nude Nuance, I guess. Yeah, Nude Nuance, the very cult favorite color. Okay, this has just broken miserably and it's gotten very old also. That's why I'm getting rid of it. Otherwise I love the color. Big hit. Again, the same perfume. I told you, two of them I finished. I've given a review about this product. This is from the brand The Most Underrated. This is a brightening gel face wash with L-ascorbic acid, mulberry green tea, AHA and BHA. Very good, very affordable. Do get your hands on this. Very travel friendly and very gentle on skin. I mean, it has everything is very good about this product, so get this one. This has been my favorite liner for the longest time and I think it's still my favorite. This is the Faces Canada Magnetized liner. So a big hit, very precise, very jet black and affordable, so definitely go and get this one. Then I have this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. Did not like it. Many other in the same range are giving much better Swiss Beauty masks. You take any one, cheaper than Iconic, better than Iconic. This dries up way too fast. You have to literally tug it on your skin. Concealer is very good again. Medium coverage, not the coverage. I'm not the biggest fan of the coverage of this. Okay, the Swiss Beauty one which I've got recently is very good. So I think, yeah, you can go ahead with that one. But this, nevertheless, it gives you a very natural finish. So big hit. Okay, I'm getting rid of this Benetint because it has already gone, it has gone bad. It had gone bad long back, but this is the most stunning tint. I have used like 10 different tints, okay, trust me. I have 10 different tints review also, but this is the most stunning one. Like this looks so natural. I don't think I've ever found something like this. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna get a big bottle of this, or even a small one, because this was the small one and I was not able to finish this. Nevertheless, big hit. This is the Damn Girl mascara from Too Faced. I got the travel size and still I couldn't finish it. Okay, first I used to use it as mascara, then I started using it as an eyebrow enhancer. Worked really well for both. I don't know, better than Sex is famous, but this is very good. I think this is really good, and I have heard people saying this is sometimes some people saying this is better than Sex. So I think you can go ahead and get this one also. And look at the packaging, how stunning it is. Then this is the Faces Canada No Transfer Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade like very maroonish. Okay, I don't know the shade name, but let me just, although I finished it, I literally wore it to office every single day. Looked beautiful on your lips, but it dried the hell out. So just apply a very good lip balm. And overall, I would not suggest this because you can get so many better with better formulation, and this color is like the most generic one. So yeah, a miss. Now I have this Smashbox liquid lipsticks. They're a big miss from my side, of course, because like everyone says, they dry out. I have barely used them for 2 to 3 times, okay, and they just got over. Like they are dry, like dry. They won't even swatch. Like, yeah, they're so dry. So that's one thing I really did not like about them. The colors are stunning though, but no use. 2 primers I have, 2 very famous primers. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Minimize Pore Primer, and this is the Professional. Both of them are really good. I've done a comparison video also. Big hit from my side. Okay, there's nothing else to say. And that's all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like this makeup look. I really love it.